back to Unleash Arts, and in today's drama class we'll be talking about team building, and I'll be sharing a game with you that will help your class to work together as a team. So as you know, with the pandemic and the lockdown, all our classes have shifted online, and drama can be a really challenging subject to play and explore online, especially when it comes to the team building activities, the group activities that we used to do. So in today's class, I'll be sharing a game with you called Which is the Original Statue? Now this game helps your class to come together as a team and work on it together. So let's get to it. You can explain this game to your students starting with a story. Tell them about this really special statue. A statue that was in a museum that used to move. The statue used to move its hands, its legs, its stomach, its torso, its neck. It used to make different expressions. It used to change its expressions. So this statue was so special that it was priceless. And there was this one thief who wanted to steal the statue. So what happened was, when this thief came to the museum to steal the statue, the thief realized that there were thousands of replicas or duplicates of the exact same statue, and they all moved in a similar manner. So how do we find the original statue? Yes, this is the game your students will be playing. So let's get over it stepwise. Step 1. You pick a student who gets to play the role of the thief in the class. Yeah! And this student has to go to the breakout room in the beginning of the game. Great! Now, while that student is in the breakout room, step 2. The rest of the class pick a person who gets to play the original statue in this round. Step 3. Now this person who is playing the original statue has to keep moving and making big gestures or small gestures or different expressions. It's really important that this person keeps moving and keeps changing its positions and directions. Step 4, the important step, and where the whole class comes together to work as a team. This is where the entire class, the rest of the students, have to copy this leader ditto same to same and move exactly the way the leader or the original statue is moving. Step 5. The thief now comes back into the museum, which is your main Zoom room, and gets 3 chances to pick who among all the students is actually the real statue. So that's the game. So you have to tell the class that the aim of the game for the class is to make it as tough and as difficult for the student who's playing the role of the thief to figure out, to identify the original statue. And that will happen only if all their movements are coordinated. Yes. So the fun part about this game playing online is there's going to be internet lag. So they have to figure out a way in which speed will help them, which movements will help them to keep it as similar as possible. Let them figure it out their own, and you can give them these tips if they're not figuring it out. So of course, moving slowly will help the entire class to copy each other easily and work as a team. So other tips and techniques: storytelling. Storytelling for the game, storytelling for any game helps you set a base, a reality for the students. It will take them to another space. They won't be anymore in their Zoom rooms, in their homes. They'll be transported to a museum where they get to play this role of replicas or the original statue or the role of thief. Another thing to keep in mind: ask your students to always challenge themselves. So with every round, you want the original statue to be challenging the class with a little more difficult moves or gestures. Of course, they can start with simple gestures, but with every other round, ask them to change the speed, ask them to change the expressions, make different poses, And the reason being, the more they'll challenge themselves, the team will grow, and of course it'll make the game more exciting. So that was the game, which is the original statue. Remember, team building games in times like these can help the class to come together, because we all are sitting in our own places, in our own houses, very much far apart from each other and missing that proximity. Such games can help them to think together as a team, be in the same virtual space for some time. So have fun with it, make your own stories, make this game your own and have fun. Till then, like, subscribe, and please put down your comments how it went in your classroom. How was it when you played this game with your friends? Do share with us what you think about this game. What else do you want us to come back with?
If you liked the video and found it useful,
please like and share the video.
Drop in your comment.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel,
Unleash Arts.
Unleash Arts.
Unleash Arts.